Today, I'll show you how to fix C Windows System 32 CMD.exe errors on Windows. Step by step, simple and safe. This error usually appears when command prompt is missing, corrupted, blocked by malware, or system files are damaged. Let's fix it. Step 1. Restart your PC properly. This sounds basic, but many CMD.exe errors are caused by glitches or temporary system glitches. Restart first before doing anything else. Step 2. Run System File Checker. Press Windows plus S and type in CMD and go to command prompt. Run it as administrator. Now, inside of command prompt, type sfc scan now. Press enter and wait. This scans and repairs corrupted system files, including cmd.exe. Step 3. Use dism if sfc doesn't fix it. In the same admin command prompt, type dism online cleanup image restore health. Press enter and let it finish. This repairs the Windows image itself. Step 4. Check for malware. Open Windows Security. And here, go to Virus and Threat Protection and do a quick scan. Malware often disables cmd.exe on purpose. Step 5. Restore cmd.exe manually if needed. If cmd.exe is missing, go to another Windows PC with the same version, copy cmd.exe from System32 and paste it back, or do a Windows repair install. Final option, reset system settings. Go to Windows Recovery and then reset this PC and perform a reset for your PC to keep your files. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.